and now it's playtime. Hi kids, open some presents. Let's go on. Let's see what's inside. Breathe. Whoa! Cool!
It's a robo-dog.
Robo-dog. What in the world Oh, it's a monster truck tow truck.
What colour is the monster truck?
Green. Open these presents. Wow. The door. The old little sled. My cement truck this time. Finally. Got my cement truck. Finally, my cement. Look at. Whoa. Wow. I know. Move it. Something this.
Wow, this is so big. It's the one with the bridges.
Yeah, but look. 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 Big. Look. Tow truck.
It's not a tow truck, it's a forklift.
Yeah, I know. Can I crack it?
You won. What's inside?
What inside? Chocolate. Why is that a smush chocolate? Why?
Christmas pudding. Good?
Yeah. Here's some water. Cement trucks need a lot of water.
Cement trucks need a lot of water.
Yeah, and watch this. That's called the drum.
The drum. What's that? Is that like the sunroof?
Yeah, but what else?
What's that?
In here. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a trap. Dip. There we go. There's a problem. There's gonna be a wall. more.